For our design theme, we wanted to make the vehicle tougher and bolder. At the same time, we want to create an interior that's high-tech and premium. The all-new 2025 Armada has 5 well-appointed grades, and this is the all-new Pro 4X, the first Pro 4X in Armada history. The Pro 4X is really special to us, and we wanted to make the vehicle look unique, starting with the high-clearance front fascia, which emphasizes the steep approach angle. And we have the lava red recovery hooks in the front and the skid plate. And moving to the side, we have the fender flares, which really emphasize the ruggedness and the go-anywhere capability. One of the key design elements is the kick-up shape on the D-pillar. This is very iconic for Nissan. And we have evolved it to have a floating roof, which allows for a two-tone color scheme. On the back of the vehicle, the double C-shaped signature is echoed from the front and is connected by a light bar in the center, making a very high-tech impression. When designing the new interior, one of our keywords was unbreakable prestige. We looked through many different design themes and came up with this T-shaped structure that emphasized the strength of the vehicle. We have twin 14.3-inch display screens that are large and they look absolutely beautiful in the interior. But at the same time, we want this to be a very natural and ergonomic place for the driver and passengers. So we have retained physical switches where it matters the most. There's attention to detail and high-quality materials throughout the interior. The material choices are upscale and rich. The instrument panel, door panels, and center console are all wrapped and stitched. So overall, we've created this tough off-road machine that's very functional and purposeful, yet we give it flair with the premium materials and quality touches, and even the componentry are all well designed and thought out.